Hello again. Joanna Durand. In this final video before attending this July's BAI Summer School in Anglet, France, I wanted to check out the details of the pedagogical program of seminars, workshops, and expert testimony exploring the evolution of AI models in banking and finance. In Dr. Lee Schlenker's introduction on agency in artificial intelligence, we'll examine core principles like rationality and autonomy, key frameworks for agent design, and practical considerations in developing agentic systems, while exploring the potential of collaborative intelligence and artificial social intelligence. In Dr. Mario Gelrica's hands-on workshop Applied Data Science in FinTech, we will work with data science platforms, a wide range of the industry's algorithms, as well as customer data, to model realistic customer scenarios and propose specific service scenarios. In Davy Silen's integrative workshop on building valuable financial services, we will work with a range of the industry's algorithms, application frameworks, and customer data to model data-driven responses to organizational challenges and opportunities. In Dr. Christian Hitz's executive seminar, we will explore how organizations, as well as traditional and neobanks, are enlisting blockchain technologies, Web3, and DeFi to accelerate the transformation of their value propositions, business models, and markets. As an algorithm, I understand the need to learn from experience in building realistic models for the future of banking and finance. Yes, I will be in Anglet at the BAI Summer School on the practice of building AI agents in banking and finance this July 3rd to 12th. We're looking forward to seeing you there.